This is the second video. My batteries magically got drained and I put them in right when I started. Was that you that drained my batteries? Anyway, the soldiers that Gail visits in Ohio, what is your name?
Right. And
she visits Edgar Thurston, that's Eddie, Luther Westerhouse, Harry Bolton, Glenn Huffman, Fred Mitchell, Ora Ratliff, Neil Strickler, Elmer Reese, and Merritt Burkett. Do you know she visits you? Do you like it when she visits? Do you like it when she leaves you flowers? Do you have any messages for Miss Gail? I thank you all for your time. Mr. Manuel Rosario, I appreciate you being the go-between. David, Philip, and Miss Jessica, again, I thank you. I'm going to end this session in 3, 2, 1.